Pinterest is a pinboard-style social media photo sharing website that allows users to create and manage theme-based image collections such as events, interests, hobbies, and more. Users can browse other pinboards for inspiration, repin images to their own collections, or like photos. Pinterest's mission is to connect everyone in the world through things they find interesting via a global platform of inspiration and idea sharing. Now let's take a look at one of my Pinterest boards. I can go up to my name, find my boards, and look at the collections that I've created. I'm going to go into badass shit because it's cool. Here I have all the things that I think that are badass, pictures that I've pinned onto my board. This is a grandma doing graffiti, which, as you can admit, is badass shit. I can click on the photo to find the link where the picture came from. This one just happens to be a picture, but still, it's pretty cool. If I want to add more things to my board, I can click on the Pinterest symbol to go back to the people I'm following and see what new cool things that they've put on their board. Mr. Rogers looks nice. If I want to find something else, I can go to the search bar and search any item. Let's say I want to find graffiti. Graffiti's cool, so I type that in and look at all the people who have pinned graffiti. This Wario seems nice, so I can like it and repin it to one of my boards. I'm going to repin it to badass shit because I think it is so. It's already got a nice little description there. I could also follow the person who created this, but I'm not going to because I don't want to right now. Also, I can find out exactly where this image came from. Let's see. It came from Bit Rebels. And I can just find all sorts of things out this way. Pinterest can also be a very useful tool for writers. If I go onto my boards, I can show you a board that I created specifically for this class. On this board, I have put pictures that lead to links on different writers' works, reviews on writers' works, and advice for writing. If I go up to this picture of Bukowski, I can click on the picture of him with a kitty, and then go back to the link that leads from, which leads me to a review of one of his works. In this way, writers can connect with each other, share their works, review each other's works, and discover new writers and new advice on writing. Writers can also use Pinterest as a way to storyboard and get ideas. If I go up to the search bar and search something, I'm going to pick dogs. I can see what people are looking at and what people are interested in on that subject. This is one way a writer can use social media in order to get ideas and share their ideas with other people. Now I'm going to show you how to pin your own pictures and links onto Pinterest. A writer can use this to pin covers of their books or things that they've written that they want to share. Go up to this add bar, click add a pin or upload a pin, and then you can choose files from your computer to upload onto Pinterest. I'm going to go into my desktop here, look at some of these screenshots I took earlier of pictures that I liked. And I'm going to choose this one here of Martin Luther King Jr. playing pool. I click choose, the file comes up, I choose what board that I want to put it on, and then I can write a small description of this file. Now anybody who views my boards can see what I've put on there for myself. You can create boards for anything that you like, or to organize your ideas for stories and writing into one space. Here I've created several boards of things that I find interesting and things that I would like to save. If you want to create your own board, you could come right here and just click on the square. Click create a board. Title your board to whatever you would like to organize your board as. Select a category for it. I'm going to go animals since we talked about that earlier. If you don't want anyone to see what you're putting in your board, you can click this to on. Once you do that, you have a secret board, and no one else can see it but you. You can invite other people to pin on your board if you have other friends on Pinterest. Now you create the board, and it shows up here on your board profile. And you're off.